Today we met Vanessa of Vanessa's Van Life Journey, and she loves to cook, and she prepares a lot of her food and even cans it. So she gave us a little lecture on her food preparation and what she does, and she allowed me to do a little video inside her van. And then as a group, we chopped up some tomatoes and onions and made a beautiful salsa, and I supplied the wine. We had tacos, and they were absolutely delicious. So here's the video of Vanessa's Van Life Journey cooking. Hi there, you have found the Crafty Traveler channel. My name is Lonnie, and I'm a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I travel with my little schnauzer Snickers, who can be a bit noisy at times. We love to go to the desert in the winter, the mountains in the summer, the seashore whenever we can. Sometimes I travel alone, and other times I love to travel with a group. I belong to a wonderful group of ladies that love to camp and have a good time. We do activities like painting. Sometimes I do sewing tutorials. I love to visit quilt shops, go to quilt retreats, and quilt shows. Come along and follow us. Comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and see where we go next. Thanks for watching.
I use my story to encourage and motivate people on my YouTube channel. I am bald, I am blind, I am 50, and I am fine. And I'm living life, I'm happy, and I'm not going to let anybody get me down. I'm going to own the things that happen to me in my life, and I'm not going to let those things continue to affect me, because I suffered from depression for years, allowing all the hurt and pain that I've been through in my life. Hi everybody!
Hi Vanessa.
Hi everybody, welcome to Vanessa's Van Life Journey. I am Vanessa. Food prep for you guys today, courtesy of Miss Elaine. And I am on the carnivore diet, so I food prep, and it usually lasts me for about 2 to 3 weeks. And today we have on the menu shrimp, and we have bacon, because I'm on the carnivore diet. I eat a lot of bacon. Bacon is like my chips. Bacon is like my coffee. Bacon is like my dessert, my M&Ms, or whatever else that I used to indulge in for a good, just bacon. And I've recently, I'm doing ketovore now, so I recently added cucumbers, spinach, and avocado back into my diet. So you'll see a few green things here, which I'm not going to cook today. And I also have ground beef, I have salmon, I have breakfast sausage, and I have liver and onions. That's what you see, all the onions there for me, not y'all. And beef patties. So this is what I typically eat every week, every other day. So when I food prep, I can actually alternate what I'm eating daily. So I can eat this today, I can eat this tomorrow, I can eat this for breakfast, and my eggs, I don't food prep those. So whatever meat I want to eat in the morning, for as breakfast sausages and bacon, it's already cooked, so it's gonna take less time, and all I have to do is cook my egg how I like it, and my meat is already cooked, and I just warm my meat up while I'm cooking my eggs, because my stove is in my van, and so that's where I usually cook. And when I go out camping, what I do is I set the table up and everything outside, and I move all my onions and everything up first, and then I'll start cooking on the inside. And so I usually make a day of it, and it usually takes me 2 days to food prep everything. So I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm ready to start.
Everybody's working. I told them I'd bring the wine.
So
These are her containers that she uses to freeze and store her food.
Put a lid on it, freeze it, or put it in the refrigerator. Same thing with my ground beef. I already had these little nifty containers that have the lid on them already. So when I cook my ground beef with my bell pepper and my onions all mixed up in and my garlic, I just fill this container up, put the lid on it, put it in the refrigerator. So you have the bulk of your meal already cooked. Like if you do want to make tacos, your ground beef is already cooked and all you have to do is warm up the taco shell. And you can use this for breakfast too. The ground beef, it's already cooked, so you can warm this up. You can fry you some eggs, warm up a little of the ground beef, and put your eggs inside the ground beef.
These ladies are supervising.
We're watching. We just
Watch it so you learn how.
We learned how to, yeah, an amazing way. I'm going to try it on avocados now.
Here we have some cut up lettuce and cilantro and goodies, cheese. We're having tacos. And Deb's over here cooking the onions and browning the ground meat. Huh, Deb? You're doing good, doing good. It's going to taste wonderful. I brought the wine. This is all her prepped burger that she's going to use as an alternate meal off and on through a couple of weeks. And what else could you say about that, Vanessa?
I make my carnivore diet burger. It's an ultimate burger with this. I will fry eggs with this, and I will double stack it with bacon, eggs, feta cheese, and blue cheese on this, and it's going to be the ultimate, I call it the ultimate carnivore diet burger.
Fabulous.
Patties are already cooked, and so my bacon is going to already be cooked. The only thing I'm going to have to cook is my eggs. I'm just going to layer it, warm everything up, layer it, and stack it. It is the best burger you will ever have in your life.
I bet.
And you will not miss the bun.
Thank you.
The other ones.
This is the inside of Vanessa's van. She's allowing me to go in and do a little video. Here's her outside doors.
I want the same treatment.
Here's as I walk in. And she actually has a full stove back there with her refrigerator. Now, you don't see a bed. She says she just puts a mattress down on the floor when she sleeps. So this is mainly for all of her cooking and food storage and sleeping on the ground, on the floor of the van. And this is her front cab. I guess she has to move things off of her driver's seat to drive. But it looks like she has like a little sofa here that she can sit on. She's taken out the passenger seat. There's a fan. There's all of her storage. She says the mason jars are her best friend. That's Vanessa's van. Behind those sliding doors, she has shelves where she stores all of her items. Look at that picante sauce. That looks like Christmas. And all the beautiful food we're going to have tonight. Look at this. This is 3 tacos with all that meat and picante and lettuce and tomatoes that those ladies all cut up, and it was cooked. And I brought the wine. So I'm eating. It's wonderful. Wasn't that interesting? Vanessa's a very interesting lady, very good sense of humor, and seems like she's been through a lot and she has made herself better. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. And thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. And it has now started to rain. Today is Saturday the 14th, 2023. So it's a good day to stay in, maybe watch a movie. Good night now.